Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Facebook user ID. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So what you simply need to do is open the Facebook app, just like this, and then what you want to do is click on the three stripes at the bottom right corner of your screen at menu, just like this. And literally then what you need to do is you need to simply click on your profile picture right here. And then you want to make sure to click on those three dots next to edit profile. And then all you need to do is scroll a little bit down, and here at your profile link, you have your specialized profile link. But literally after that equal taken, you will see a lot of numbers, and it will literally also say ID before that. So it will say ID equal, and then it will literally say a lot of numbers, and that is your actual Facebook user ID. So that's how you can find your Facebook user ID. If this video is helpful for you, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It does really help me a lot. And that being said, I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.